potential problems when it comes to legalizing medical marijuana. Lawmakers hearing more testimony from Kansans who would benefit if the bill is passed. Brett Bagansky joins us now for continuing coverage tonight. Brett, not everyone is on board with this.
Yeah, Jeff, we heard some of those potential concerns today in Topeka and even right here in Wichita, whether it's those financial barriers to entry, the business safety side of it all, but also how to enforce the law that's still illegal at the federal level.
I'm for medical marijuana, and these young kids that have the seizures here in Kansas should not have to leave Kansas to go to Colorado.
Jim Ricketts is just one person who spoke in favor of medical marijuana in Kansas. He opened up about a car crash he was in back in 1975 and how his pain never went away. But he says medical marijuana gives him relief.
Marijuana relaxes me to where I can lay down and try to get a few hours of sleep. And I feel I'm entitled to be able to have a few nights sleep like everybody else.
We would prefer that employers be able to determine their own drug testing policies. Each employer and each industry is different.
Others like Eric Stafford from the Kansas Chamber of Commerce have a neutral stance, but spoke about potential legal gray areas of the bill.
It's going to be an enforcement nightmare as they've seen in Colorado and Oklahoma.
Sedgwick County Sheriff Jeff Easter is testifying before lawmakers Friday in Topeka. The Kansas Sheriff's Association is against medical marijuana, as Easter feels Senate Bill 560 is under the ruse of a medical bill.
The proponents are dead set against not being able to smoke it. Okay, why? I thought it was medicine. That's because you want to get high quicker. Plain and simple.
And Sheriff Easter also feels that doctors and pharmacists should be the only ones handling medical marijuana if some are selling it as medicine. So the other problem is the fact that it's still against federal law and that the drug is not FDA approved. So that means that doctors can't legally prescribe it. They can only recommend it. So this bill certainly has another day of hearings before lawmakers can potentially pass it out of committee. Here for you, Brett Bagansky, KSN News 3.